All right, J111's Annapolis Nood race number 7. The last race on Sunday. First, skeleton, space. Second, slush, velocity. Dawn, Satilla Bravo. Wicked. All right, let's go take a look. So this one, the start scenario is a little bit the same. Breeze is up a little bit more now. More in the 10 to 12 range. Still a bit puffy and shifty. Current still going left to right, making things difficult on the starting line. Let's get this going here. About 15 seconds left. And go. Velocity's over, spins around. And gets right back into it again. We had the J115s actually rounding right at the same time, so there's a lot of activity up this first beat with other traffic. Should be interesting to see kind of what pans out here. So if you look up the track, you can see a little bit here. Sailed a knock going out here. Everybody else sailed a little bit of a lift coming back. Put us behind a good bit. Get a little relief coming back up here. Bravo hits us here. Forces us back out. Well, this, I think, was a very interesting scenario. Hopefully we can watch this a little bit. What happens up here? Slow it down a little bit. So velocity tacks here. 1, 2, 3, 4 tacks to our 1 tack. We actually beat all of these boats right here coming in. Let me slow it down just a little bit more. Slush Fun probably not making it. Going pretty slow right there at 4.9. We're doing 5.2s. Little maybe Bad Aaron Skeleton. Look at attacks, Satella attacks. Slush has got attack back now. The other boat, I believe, is right here, the one that we don't have in the fleet. And Velocity's got attack back. You can see how slow they're going. 4.5s. pretty costly tacking these boats. Skeleton pretty far ahead. Let me take. And then what happens after there? Let's see. Velocity actually, I think, does a very good job here. Diving out. Getting free, Satella gets free a little bit. We try to get our air free a little bit. See the tracks there. I'll get, because the wind current's coming back down, and it'll get sponged up again pretty quickly. I'm going up wind about almost a knot slower, at least a knot slower. Bravo exits goes to the other mark. Wicked sends it to the left. What do we look up wind? What do we see? Pretty consistent. Not too much going on. Little lane. You can probably, these are guys are going a little faster than whoever that was. Satella going a little higher and a little slower here. Never quite pouncing over 6, bumping over 6. Probably just keeping off of us here a little bit. Not bad. Slush in the more forward mode here. Play that back with those guys. In space, we got a tight lane here, so we're going to probably go a little higher, a little slower, trying to maintain marks up over here, obviously. Not try to do 2 more tacks here. Let's see how that works out for us. Fine on velocity. Slush makes slush and velocity close, yeah. Slush does a good job out here. What do they round in? They just, I think they get velocity here. I don't remember right, yeah. Just ahead of them. Okay, so pause this, put this up, regatta, show step details. So there you go.